I am having a hard copy. So from hard copy today I will conduct the class. Okay. So please everyone open your book by your own. Open your book by your own. I will read the questions for you, but I will not show the question on the question over here. Okay. I hope now this is much clearer, more clearer to all of you. Okay, so exercise C1, the page number is for this. The page number is 48 and 49. 48 and 49. These two page. Okay, so by how much is 9,999 is greater than 5,899? Okay, so that means we need to do the subtraction. So we first we will write like that. So which from the big number we need to subtract the small number. Okay. So here write down that subtraction equal to, first you subtract and write the answers. Okay. Since I have done the subtraction, I am writing the answer. Yes, why two of you raised your hand? Saman and Muni. Unmute both.
Ma'am, we write. Ma'am, we write it. Ma'am, writing copy.
Obviously, otherwise where you will do.
Okay, ma'am.
Story sums, what problems, you need to write it in the copy. Okay. Everyone, don't ask the teachers this kind of question. So answer what I will write. We will write like that. 9,999 is greater than 5,899 by 4,100. Okay. So going to the next sum. Question number 2. Here also the writing will be same. Okay. So my case it's very easy. I will just copy paste it because nothing more I don't have to do. Okay, so question number 2 is also I have completed. Question number 2 is also I have completed. So what is the question number 3? What should be added to 5421 so that the sum is 6721, 6721. Okay, so we will write like that. The sum is six thousand seven hundred 21. Okay. Next year we will write 1 number. See here I have given the gap so that my uh, everything will be just looks very nice. Okay, you should practice like that. Minus 5421. We will write over here another number is 1. So complete these three sums very fast. If it is completed, show me a thumbs up. Okay. Question number 1, if it is completed, yes, Meghna, completed.
ম্যাম
Yes, yes, yes.
বলছি কালকে কি আবার সারপ্রাইজ টেস্টটা হবে?
This test will be there for each Saturday. Okay. So
আর বলছি
this
ওটা কি
Saturday,
জুমেতেই হবে?
no, no, not in Zoom. Okay, I am just explaining it how you will go. You are opening, all of you can open the study material and assignment, right? From there, you will see in that ribbon only where the study material, assignment, all these things are there. Beside that, anywhere test option is there. So go to the test option and tap on it, and you will see that test will be turned on. Okay. Okay. I will send the message from where you will get. Question number 1 completed, 1, 2, 3 completed, 4 we will start. Okay, I hope that 1 is completed for everyone. So question number 4 we are starting. Okay. Question number 4 is given what? A man donated 5,500 notebooks and pens in all to a school. If he donated 4,500 pens, how many notebooks did he donate? Okay, so this we will write like that. Total number of notebooks and pens here you have to write down total number of pens. So here you need to write down that total number of notebooks. These are all easy sums, very easy sums. So answer, we will write he donated 1,000 notebooks. Complete it. Yes, Rafiq, unmute please. Yes, Rafiq, unmute please. Rafiq, unmute please.
Ma'am, how to join this exam?
Do you have the school app?
Yes,
But I don't think that you got the permission yet. Your name is not showing over yet. So tomorrow's exam you don't have to give, I think so. Rafiq though, you are new though. Show me your face, I can't see your face. Rafiq or Rafiqul? Who are you?
Rafiqu.
Rafiqul. And your name is written over here, Rafiq. Okay, you are, yes, yes, I will rename it. From where you are finding out the assignment, from there beside the one tab will be there, like test. Touch on that means whatever it is showing, you just touch on that. Okay, is it okay? যেখান থেকে অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট তোমরা অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট সাবমিট করেছিলে ওই রিবনটার মধ্যেই এদিক ওদিক করে দেখবে টেস্ট বলে কোনো অপশন আছে, এক্ষুনিও স্কুলের অ্যাপে গিয়ে দেখতে পারো, সেখানেই হচ্ছে টাচ করতে হবে, করে তোমাদের টেস্টটা খুলতে হবে। ওকে ওকে, so question number 5. There were 3,540 hens in a poultry farm. Due to some reasons, 220 hens died. How many hens were left? You do it by yourself. Complete it right now. 5 and 6, complete it right now. 5, I no idea. Don't see it and think what you will do. 5 and 6, complete by yourself right now. I will show the answers a little later. Try to write, try to solve the word problems 5 and 6. Seven, 5 and 6 complete. You are sitting. I can see. Yes, someone, what is the problem?
मैम मैम मेरे कॉपी में सिर्फ 6 पेज है।
Very nice. Then you are a very good student. You have completed all of your copies. No problem. You just do one thing. You just, if this copy is completed, if you are having extra copy of your school, it's okay, fine. Otherwise, contact to school. I think school will provide you extra copies.
ओके मैम।
Mute yourself, please. Question number 5 and 6. Try by yourself. Everyone is thinking that when ma'am will show, I will just copy and paste it from the book. I will not show it today. Five and 6 complete by yourself, then only I will listen to you. Now 7, 8, 9, 10. 4 is your homework. 7, 8, 9, 10. 4 is your homework. 4 sums is your homework. I hope that everyone can see. These are the today's classwork. 5 and 6 I'm showing again. Class time is almost over, so I will end this class. Yes, why you have raised your hand? Yes, Rafiqul, unmute. Omar, unmute.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Okay, 7, 8, 9, 10 is your homework.
Okay, ma'am.
7,
Ma'am,
8,
I
9,
marked.
10. Yes, yes. Everyone mark it on your book. 7, 8, 9, 10.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Okay, very good. Please keep your sides mute. I will end this class soon. Okay, thank you everyone and bye bye. Okay, meet with you on the last class.